Hey everyone, and check out this incredible foldable power tower for your home gym workouts. This versatile station lets you perform pull-ups, dips, and leg raises with ease. Its unique folding design saves massive space by shrinking down to just under 10 inches. You can quickly adjust the height across 9 levels to fit your entire family perfectly. The sturdy frame supports up to 400 pounds without any annoying shaking during exercise. High-density foam pads protect your arms while you build serious muscle mass at home. Upgrade your fitness routine today with this convenient and heavy-duty strength training equipment. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.